Hey everyone, welcome back to another Inside Look video brought to you by Rockford Fosgate and the Rockford Technical Training Institute. Now typically when you watch these videos, we're introducing a new product in the audio market, either in our mobile, motorsports, marine, or motorcycle divisions. But in this video, we're actually going to introduce a new product in a new segment, the convenience market. Now all of us have vehicles, and most of those vehicles come with a keyless entry key fob. And if you're lucky enough, you either have a factory or aftermarket installed remote start system. And of course, this system allows you to remotely start the vehicle from pretty much anywhere you are within range. Of course, one of the downsides of this is that range. Typically, that range is affected by buildings, whether you're inside or outside, and a number of other factors. So, wouldn't it be nice if you had the capability to extend that range? More importantly, what if you could extend that range that you could even remote start your car virtually anywhere in the world, and more conveniently, doing it from your own smartphone? Well, let's go inside and take a look at this new convenience product by Rockford Fosgate and get all the details. All right, everyone. I am now joined by Brad with our new product development team, and he is going to walk us through our new add-on component for remote start systems known as Autolink. So Brad, what exactly is Autolink?
It is an add-on piece for a digital remote start system that allows you to control it from virtually anywhere.
What all comes with the unit?
We have the hardware, the main wiring harness, 2 adapter harnesses, and then the quick install guide.
So can anybody install this, or does it need to be installed by our authorized dealers?
Depending on how comfortable you are with installing electronics in your car and the remote start system that's in there, it could be as simple as just plugging it in. But we do recommend to always have an authorized dealer install our product.
Okay, so just how easy is it to connect this unit to a remote start system?
Well, if you hand me the main module from our iDatastart HC3 system, we'll take our main harness from our Autolink. Our 4-pin blue plug will plug directly into our 4-pin blue port on the iDatastart, and then our 8-pin main harness plug will plug directly into the Autolink, and you're done. It's that simple.
All right, seems simple enough. Now I do notice there are some additional wires in the wiring harness. Are we going to need to connect those wires?
For this installation you would not, but there are some installations that do require them. To find out which ones you need, you go to our website, download the full installation manual for all of our remote start options.
Okay. And once this unit is connected to the remote start, how do we know that it's working?
There are a couple of LEDs that will light up as they're flashing. It's connecting to the network, and once they're solid, that means that they have connected to the network and the GPS system.
And once they go solid, what's the next step in the process?
The next step would be to move on to the app and downloading the app.
Okay, well let's move on to that part.
To set up your Autolink, the first thing we'll need to do is download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Search for RF Autolink. Now that the app is downloaded, open the app where you may receive a prompt for notifications. Click Allow. Once the application is open, click Create New Account. Enter your email, name, and number to create your account. To complete your account activation, an email will be sent to you. Simply click on the link located in the body of the email to create your secure password and complete your account setup. Now that your account is activated, open the app, enter your email address, password, and click Login. To add a serial number to your account, press the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and input the 16-digit serial number. Now that the serial number is tied to our account and we're in test mode, we have up to 4 hours to configure our system. This will bring us into our bypass protocols. Press OK and choose which protocol works with your remote start system, ADS, DEI, or Fortin. Once you have chosen your protocol, the module in the car can take up to 5 minutes to reboot. During that time, we can set up and configure our app. Now we can name our vehicle, add any auxiliaries that the remote start might have, as well as change our vehicle image. After configuring our app, we can press the Done button, which will take us to our vehicle homepage. This is where we'll be able to test all of the features of our remote start system. Now that we're in our vehicle's home screen, we can test our start, stop, lock, unlock, locate vehicle, and any auxiliaries that we have for our remote start system. Now that we've tested the system and everything's working as it should, we can back out to our vehicle list page where we can release the vehicle from test mode. After pressing the release button, you will be prompted to either release, transfer, or cancel. Press release. Now that we've released our vehicle from test mode, we need to add our serial number to our account. Now that you have the serial number loaded into your account, if you have multiple vehicles, you can click the star next to the vehicle you want to have as your primary or default vehicle. To add multiple authorized users to your vehicle, click the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner, click the Authorized User tab, add users in the bottom right-hand corner, and then enter the user's email address. The recipient will receive an email. To create an account, the vehicle will be automatically populated. Finally, if you choose to transfer to ownership, simply press the Transfer to a New Owner, enter the email address, and this will send an invitation to the new owner to create an account. So as you can see, the setup was very simple, and now you're ready to use the app. If you have any questions at all, you can call us at our customer service.
And of course, remember, one of the biggest advantages of this device is the fact that it does give you extended range, extended access to your remote start system. So if you've had issues in the past with range through your key fob, or if, for example, you're somebody who travels a lot and wants to be able to keep an eye on where your vehicle is located while you're out of town, or anything of that nature, obviously this is a good device that you may want to add to your system. So make sure you contact your local Rockford Fosgate dealer and inquire about the installation of the Autolink system. And understand that it is designed to work with most digital remote start systems out there. So even if you don't have an iDatastart system, which our Rockford dealers do carry, check with it. They may be able to install it on the system that you do have. So Brad, as always, thank you for joining us.
Anytime.
And we hope you guys have gotten a good information from this, and we look forward to seeing you again in another video.